Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how you can use the power button to end the call in your device Oneplus 10r. So if in this device you want to use a feature like whenever you press the power button of the device, the incoming call will end it. If you want to do this, follow the steps and watch complete video, and I will tell you how you can do the power button end call feature. But before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.